Welcome to the OTech Talks podcast, where it's all about working on Oracle technologies. You will hear the latest Oracle tech information, and your host, Kashif Manzoor, brings together product overviews, how-tos, best practices, tips and tricks, and troubleshooting techniques.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome to OTechTalks.tv, session number 22. Today, we are going to talk on a very important topic in the age of cloud computing. What are the career choices for Oracle tech consultants? What they should do? Because primarily they were working on Oracle E-Business Suite. So I thought to share with all of you my thoughts and some action plan, how to proceed and what they can do now to plan their journey towards cloud. Before starting to the session in detail level, I just want to reiterate that these are my personal views and it doesn't necessarily to represent my previous or current employer, and the disclaimer is already published on the otechtalks.tv. So what I'm going to take you through today, specifically on the Oracle technical consultants, where we were working on Oracle E-Business Suite, and primarily our work was to develop reports. Second was to build alerts. Third, to customize or extend any functionality within E-Business Suite. So we used to call it as RISE components, where we said RISE were reports, interfaces, customization, and extension. And when we moved to Oracle E-Business Suite release 12.2 or 12, then it was renamed to CAMLI objects. And this CAMLI was CEMLI, basically configuration, extension, modification, localization, and integration. So it was the known term in release 12. Now, as organizations are moving to cloud environment and they are choosing to implement Oracle HCM Cloud or ERP Cloud or CX Cloud, so what are the career choices available for any technical consultant who was working on customization, extension, reports? What should he do? How he should plan his career? So what I have done is I have categorized into three areas. One is what is available in cloud application. Second, where to start. Third, what paths are available. So if you are new to cloud concepts, then I would suggest you to go to otechtalks.tv and listen our session number 21, where we spoke on PaaS for SaaS, how to extend Oracle cloud application with respect to building a new functionality, and our focus was only on the Java Cloud Service SaaS extension. And if you are not aware about it, how the cloud computing works, then there is another session available on the otechtalks.tv. You can go ahead and listen that one, where you will get all the basic information. So let's dive into what is available as a part of Oracle cloud applications. Now, as in previous session, we spoke on that any extension which we need to build that is going to be on the Oracle platform as a service environment on the PaaS offering. So number of PaaS offerings are available, and we spoke in our session number 21 only on the Java Cloud Service SaaS extension. So I will categorize into number of options available for extension which are required, or if you are planning to build for core any cloud applications, either ERP or an HCM cloud. So to build any extension, any new functionality, the way we were doing in E-Business Suite, to build a new form, to cater any new requirement, we were building in OAF form. So in the cloud applications, we need to use PaaS environment, that is Java Cloud Service SaaS extension. It's a basically Java Enterprise runtime environment for custom applications, and we usually using ADF environment, ADF tool to build extensions. And for this, in detail, I already spoke on session number 21. Now, second part is on the development of reports, how I need to develop reports in cloud applications, where in case of eBusiness Suite, when we were building number of customized reports in XML Publisher or based on ADF or based on RDF or on Oracle reports. So in cloud applications, we know that Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence is part of any cloud application. So definitely now all the reporting will be done in Business Intelligence OTBI. For that, as a technical consultant, you should be aware about it, how the BI works and how OTBI works. So what you can do, you can go ahead and start learning on OTBI, and if we need to build any custom report based on OTBI data model, then there is XML, there is a BI publisher is available as part of that, and by using BI publisher we can build any report. So for on reporting point of view, our action item is for technical consultant to go and start reading, learning on OTBI, BI publisher, how report works, how I can build it. And there are a number of tools and free guides are available, and what I will do, I will add all those references in the notes on otechtalks.tv session number 22. Now, third part is from the past point of view for extension or any other which we see it to extend our requirement is to build integration with any third-party application or any other on-premise application where we are going to use our cloud applications. So on those lines, each cloud application suite is offering number of integration tools, we can say, or functionality which we can use. For example, HCM Cloud is offering HDL, HCM Data Loader, and HCM extracts for integration. Now, and similarly, these integrations we can use SOA Cloud Service to orchestrate our integration process by using different web services which are available publicly. So if you're looking to use any Beeple and associated SOA suite components to build process-driven solutions or to orchestrate our integration mechanism from on-premise to on-cloud, our focus will be to learn SOA Cloud Service. That's basically the SOA environment, the way it was working on-premise. Similarly, if we want to use any business processes workflow, which are primarily based on SOA-based business processes workflow, then there is another PaaS offering, which is Process Cloud Service. So as a technical consultant, you can also start focusing on to learn this one. Similarly, on the Document Cloud Service, it's a content management and collaboration facilities for business users. So you can also start exploring this component to be expert as a technical consultant in your organization. Then for the business users or a citizen developer, there's another integration cloud service, which is a graphical tool available to expose source and destination fields, and its pre-built adapters are available for integration with number of applications from cloud to on-premise or cloud to cloud. So you can also start focusing on that one, how integration cloud service is working, what are the application adapters are available, and how we can use them. Definitely, if you want to use an Apex Application Express, you can also use Apex for any extension within. Then another offering is Mobile Builder Cloud Service, which is basically to build mobile backend components for custom mobile applications. So if our organization is looking for to develop any mobile application, we can use this service, and we can integrate, or we can use the web services or APIs available exposed by the cloud applications to build our own mobile application. So now you can see number of new tools are available to focus as a technical consultant, which path you need to go and what you need to decide. So broadly we can say any extension or to build in cloud application, we need to start learning Java Cloud Service SaaS extension and number of development environment or a development tool which we can use within Java Cloud Service as a PaaS offering. Then similarly, if our focus is to build any mobile application, then we need to start focusing on mobile application framework, mobile builder cloud service. So that is the another line which we need to focus. And then third is on the orchestration integrations, where the SOA cloud service or ICS and the other document cloud service or any process cloud service, definitely they will be going to use how to call the web services, RESTful APIs and all that stuff. So if we are going to use we are going to focus on SOA, then definitely that will give us an edge to start using or start getting knowledge on the other applications. Now these are the paths available which we can start focusing on. And then fourth one is on the reporting, that's OTBI and BI. So definitely organizations are looking to develop number of reports that's primarily will be on the transactional business intelligence tool as a part of cloud applications, but some of the ad hoc reports can be built on BI Publisher, which is also part of that. So how to use the data model, existing data model, then how to lay out, build the format of the report, and then use the existing Oracle data model, which is available part of OTBI to build report. So all these technology areas, you guys can start focusing on it. So with this, I feel that even if you don't have a cloud application in your organization, you can start learning today, because there is two ways to learn new technology. One is that organization will go ahead and they will implement any cloud application like HCM or ERP or manufacturing or a CX, and then being a tech guy in that organization, you will get an opportunity to work on it. And the second route is you are already expert in Oracle Business Suite technical stuff. So very simple method is available. You can go to Oracle reference material, Oracle guide, and you can start reading that material, and even you can start learning that one. And if you're working in any customer side, so you can even get a free trials available from Oracle for your organization. You can formally request the free trials for 1 month, and you can start practicing how to build the extensions, how to build the new application on Java Cloud Service, how to use the Process Cloud Service, Document Cloud Service, or any other way where you see it that your organization is more focusing on that area. So I think number of resources are available for you to start today. So now it's your call, either that you want to wait that your organization will go and start using or start implementing cloud application, or you can take a second route, and that's, I think, appropriate route to start focusing and learning from today onward. And what I will do, I will put number of reference material and links on the show notes of this session number 22. You can go ahead on oracletechtalks.tv and you can get direct links of different resources, and feel free to raise any question, or if you feel that you're stuck somewhere, you're not getting the clear path, how to start, where to start, I'm available. Just add your message or comment into the blog, and I will be happy to assist you, to guide you through this journey. So I believe you should start focusing and start learning, and that's the way to transform yourself to meet the new requirement of cloud applications instead of waiting some time that when it will come I will see it. I hope you will like this session. If you have any comments, feel free to put on the blog, or you can even share on Facebook page otex.tv, or even you can join us on Facebook group, where we are sharing number of information and number of other technical tools and reference materials available. So I will put the link on the blog. You can start joining us on the Facebook, on Twitter. So what I believe, that's how the social learning is, that we are learning from each other, we are learning from community, we are helping each other to grow our career, where the technology is heading, and live our life, enjoy our life. Thank you so much for listening today. Have a good and blessed life ahead.
Thanks for listening to the OTech Talks podcast, and be part of Tech Talks at otechtalks.tv. It's a turf to share ideas, insights, and innovations.